In a world where technology and tradition collide, an ancient art is being reborn. This isn't just any Kung Fu, this is AI Kungfu. Imagine the power to transform your very image into a dynamic martial artist, moving with the precision of an AI avatar. Welcome to the future. Welcome to a new kind of dojo. To get started, click the link in the description to head over to Wondershare Virbo. It's quick and easy to sign up or log in if you're new. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a world of amazing features. The ability to make your picture move, make it hug or kiss someone, or even generate entire videos from text. But today, we're going to focus on one powerful feature, picture-to-video self-creation. First, upload a clear, high-quality photo of yourself. The better the image, the more stunning the result. With just a few clicks, your photo is ready for action. The magic begins here. Once your image is uploaded, the next step is to tell the AI what you want it to do. In the prompt box, you can describe the action you want to see. For example, you might type, "Animate my image doing a simple, realistic Kung Fu kick. Start in a stance, perform a smooth side kick, and end in a balanced pose." The more detailed the description, the more lifelike the movement will be. And just to give you some ideas, imagine creating an image of yourself doing a backflip, practicing a roundhouse kick, or even performing a graceful Kung Fu stance. You could also have some fun with other features like making your image hug someone or blow a kiss, adding a bit of personality to your Kung Fu avatar. Now, sit back and let the AI work its magic. Hit the generate button and in just seconds, the AI transforms your image into a Kung Fu performance like no other. Watch as your movements come to life with smooth, natural transitions and feel the power of AI-driven martial arts right at your fingertips. With each kick, punch, and stance, you're now experiencing AI Kung Fu in action. So, are you ready to master the art of AI Kung Fu? Follow the steps, create your Kung Fu avatar, and unleash the future of martial arts. The dojo of the digital age awaits. Head to the link in the description and let your Kung Fu dreams come alive today. If you enjoyed bringing your Kung Fu avatar to life, be sure to check out Wondershare Virbo for more incredible features. Whether it's animating yourself or creating an entire AI-generated world, there's so much to explore. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the link in the description to start your journey with Virbo now. The future of AI is here. Unlock it today. See you in the next video.